Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at gold here, and again we're switching our bias and we're now looking for sells. Just quickly before we talk about the exact entry zone, I just want to take your attention to the daily chart. As we can see here, we've got that huge push to the upside, and ultimately we're in a wedge pattern. So if I just draw a simple structure like this and this is a very technical common pattern that happens all the time in the Forex pairs. So again, it's just consolidation between this range. So until we actually break out strongly above either side, so if we get a push to the upside or to the downside, we will then continuate a trend. But more than likely what will happen is we'll get a fake out. So potentially we'll get a fake out to the upside and then it will continuate to the downside, or we'll do again the opposite, which would be a fake to the downside and then a push to the upside. This is just ultimately to gain more liquidity into the market. Again, trapping all the sellers and all the buyers to again push the market in the actual way. Again, so you just have to think about that on a larger perspective. But again, we will still continue to trade the way that we do until we find that breakout. So again, what we're looking for is the sell that we were mentioning at the beginning of the video. So what we are noticing right now, we've got this huge pressure from the upside and we're pushing towards the downside. So this is the push phase. We're simply now waiting for the retracement, so the pullback phase, and then we want to see some price action in this area here, and we want to see ideally some wick rejection, so something like this or like this in this area here. The next candle next towards that needs to be a strong bearish momentum to the downside. So something as like this would do. Again, we're just looking for simple sentiment structure here. So this is what the candle looks like. And again, it has to be within this range. And then if that does happen, we should this should give us confidence again to hold this trade for the long run and potentially test the bottom of our wedge that we've just drawn on the daily. So that's just over 300 pips if we can get in that. So the range that we are looking to get this sell entry in is between 1712 to 1707. So again, place this zone into your charts and just monitor the price action until it gets to this point, as we could expect some price manipulation and again rejection at this point. So if there are any changes, we will provide the video analysis for you, but if you guys would like a bit more updates on all the pairs that we've watched, we have a group chat. That link is in the description below. It's called the Telegram group chat. Literally we just provide all the news updates that we are currently observing from day to day, all the charts that we look at. We just provide a bit more update, and we include the morning sessions, the morning, afternoon and evening sessions for you guys, so you can obviously check that out, and it might actually be very good for you, especially if you're a new trader. So go ahead and check that out and definitely join. If you do have any other questions you'd like to personally contact me, I'm happy to help anyone. Just come forward through and message us through Instagram, which is @KMTRADERS. Again, I'm more than happy to help anyone. And finally, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for all future analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.